Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector. In today's video, it's not like a normal video at all. It's a video I wish I never had to film, and it's about something I wish I would have never gone through and my family and friends never gone through, but I knew in my heart I wanted to share this with you guys because it's about a person who helped me start YouTube, was one of the main reasons I started YouTube, was one of the main reasons I got into toy collecting and making slime, and she's been in so many videos of mine, dates back to when I first started to even now recently, and I just knew in my heart I wanted to talk about it, and it wouldn't feel right if I just, I don't know, started filming slime videos again without talking about this. So yeah, and this is why I've been MIA from YouTube for a little bit, like 2 weeks, which it isn't that crazy because I post weekly for you guys, but I've been posting weekly for like 7 years. So when like 2 weeks went by, I had some of you guys reach out to me being like, oh, where's a video? Like, where are you at, Alice? Yeah, I just wanted to share this to you guys, and I knew in my heart if I didn't, it wouldn't feel right. So that's what the video's about. Yeah, but today's video is about why I've been MIA, as I said before. So on September 20th, my cousin Amanda passed away, and a lot of you guys know her from my YouTube channel if you've been a fan of me for a while. Okay, it's editing Allie popping in really quick. I want to apologize for my facial expressions during this part of the video. It's just a very uncomfortable conversation to have, so that's really about it. I just didn't really know how to talk to a camera because it was just awkward and uncomfortable, but again, I wanted to get this video up for you guys and explain everything. Her original name, we would call her, was Cute Puppy Smile 101, or LD Mandy, and she's been in so many videos of mine, and she's helped me with so many things on this channel, so it didn't feel right if I didn't talk about this with you guys. But Amanda was only 17, and she passed very suddenly. It's very tragic. I will not be getting into details about how she passed or anything like that, just for respect and privacy of my family, and I just feel like it's not right to share that at all, but just know it was very sudden and tragic, and she was so young, and it was never supposed to happen that way. So that's why I've just been struggling a lot with the fact she's gone, and it just doesn't feel real. I've like never been good with grief and everything. Like, I've lost very close family members of mine, but never anyone who's been this close with me. Amanda was never just my cousin. Like, all my cousins are not just my cousins, they're like my friends. Like, we all grew up together, we all would have sleepovers together, like I talked to them all almost every day. So the fact that she passed is hitting very hard for me and hard for my entire family and friends. And I just saw her as a sister because she would talk to me all the time. I was literally talking to her like a day before she passed, and we were hanging out in the beginning of September. I celebrated her 17th birthday with her back in June, so this is just so unreal for me to think that it happened, and I can't wrap my mind around it. And I feel like I've been going through the whole grief process pretty hard, but I wanted to make this video to share my favorite memories with her, like I said, and just kind of do like a tribute to Amanda. I also want to say the only reason I'm really not crying through this video is because I'm beyond numb right now. I feel like that's the stage of grief I'm at, is numbness and trying to stay strong for my family and friends, and it comes in waves. Like, I was crying in class today out of nowhere, and like it just hit me like that. So that's what I'm learning with grief right now, and I'm learning to journal and talk things out with my family and just, you know, never take things for granted. As hard as it sounds, it's just like, you never know. But Amanda was never just my cousin. Like I said, all my cousins are not my cousins. Like, they're all my friends. But Amanda went from being my cousin to being my best friend when I went into high school. Me and my twin sister had a really hard time making friends during that stage in life for us, and that's when like her and my cousin Ryan stepped in, and my other cousins, and we all just became this inseparable group who'd do FaceTime calls all the time. Amanda would always sleep over my house. Like, she'd always ask to sleep over. I would go to her house. We would play Roblox all day. I would skip doing homework just to talk to her on the phone, and she just really made me a better person, and she It's made me such a happy person, and I just will always cherish my memories with her. And Amanda always had this personality to make people feel good about themselves. Even if she was having a bad day, she would like be like, Allie, you look good. Allie, you look amazing. Never be insecure. And she just always made me feel good about myself. And she always, I don't know, she was just such a good person. And we had the same things in common. We loved toys growing up. I still love them now, but she loves that I, you know, still do YouTube and everything, and you know, the fact all our videos are still up together is such a nice thing for me to look at now and my family to look at. But yeah, Amanda is an amazing person. She will always live within my heart. I love her so much, and it's just hard to post this today, but I really wanted to get it out for you guys. Like I said, it would be hard for me not to, just because it would feel not right at all, and I felt like I really wanted to share it with you guys. But never take people for granted. Always be nice to people. Even through the times I'm going through right now with my family and friends, there's been people being mean and stuff and just not being nice at all, which I think is kind of crazy for someone to do when people are grieving. But you know, some people are like that. But you know, always love each other, always be nice, and just be a good person, really, and don't take life for granted. That's honestly all I'm going to share from right now, just because I feel like if I go on and on, I'm probably going to break down and cry. But I love you so much, Amanda. You will always live in my heart. I feel her around me. I believe in God and everything, so I know she's with God and my family that are in heaven, so I know that because I feel that, and I know. So yeah, I love you so much, Mandy, and the rest of the video will be a tribute towards her. It will be my favorite memories of us and some older videos we filmed together that is still up on my channel, and you can go check it out. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.
And today I'm here with Cute Puppy Smile 101. And today we are at Claire's and we're getting Sophie's ears pierced. And the lady's going to be coming by.
Chloe's here too.
Yeah, but she's not getting her ears pierced. Why?
Well, you're only 4 and you'll get them in a couple months when you turn 5.
Yeah. Remember when you turned 5? Yeah. But she gets hers because she turned 5 a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
So today I am joined by LD Mandy and my sister Sarah. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So yeah, the girls are first going to eat their Lunchables. Would you like to open it?
Sure.
They love this. I usually don't let them eat this, but today I was just like...
Feeling a little generous.
Yeah, we went to Target yesterday. We're just like...
We saved the cookies for last.
Yeah. We went to Target and we're like, we're going to get this for them.
Yeah.
That looks good. Yep. And today I'm joined by...
Cute Puppy Smile 101, aka LD Mandy.
So yeah, so please like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. And in the comments down below, give me some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay, where do you want to go?
Christmas tree. What? No, I'm not. This is stupid. What did I say about that language?
Here we are. Yay! Park the carriage right here. Come on, guys.
Here, do you like the tree?
No. Come on, Chloe.
Chloe, this is the one we're getting. Don't you like it?
No.
Chloe, that was bad.
You gotta be good.
And we have everything all situated.
Yep.
Hey, they love it. Let's show them a quick sneak peek of it.
Yep.
Today I am joined by Cute Puppy Smile 101, also known as Paige in the game. Want to say hi?
Hi, YouTube.
Hi! Cute Puppy Smile 101 might come over tomorrow again. Might. She comes over like every single day. Look, the first ones. We can buy it.
Let's get it.
Want me to buy it or you? Lock the door.
Okay, I already bought it, though.
Lock the door. And today I'm joined by...
Cute Puppy Smile 101, aka LD Mandy.
So yeah, so please like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. And in the comments down below, give me some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay, where do you want to go?
Amanda, there's pizza.
What? Then go get out of my way.
Stop.
Bike ride! Bike ride! Bike ride! We We are slime making right now, a new slime from our shop. So, hi Amanda. Welcome to our fort. Wait, again. Don't post that. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Amanda. Have fun. Hi, Ryan. Hi, ready? No one got me doing it.
I'll do it for you after, bitch.
Wait, Allie, come here. Stop the video. Stop.
It's cha-cha-cha.
Click on random one.